Higher rates and appreciating currency have attracted hot money into China in the past few years. Analysts say that the recent widening of the currency trading band is a great way to show the potential risks of short-term investments.
I think what the central bank did to widen the trading band is really a short-term measure to remind money flow, especially what we term as hot money, foreign money flowing to China, that there will be more downside risks for such short-term actions. I think it's the healthy signal for short-term money to be more cautious. China really needs more long-term investments.
For us, what we'd like to see clearly is a deepening of the financial reform along the lines that I've just spoken about, deepening of bond markets, opening up to a wider spectrum so that there's innovation in the market. All of these things we think are very important. To have long-term institutional investors in supporting the capital market is key, and insurance companies play a fundamental role in that.
Many say that the Chinese currency is now closer to its market value, making it the perfect time for currency reform.
The downward pressure on the RMB is a good opportunity to implement such a reform, because previously, if the central bank announced a policy of increased range of trading, is equivalent to announcing faster pace of appreciation. Now, both ways, the exchange rate can go.
A more immediate reform is deposit rate liberalization. The central bank has a 1 to 2 year timetable. President Nakao of the Asian Development Bank warns of potential risks to the banking sector.
Because if interest rate is liberalized, banks might promise a very high interest rate to mobilize more resources and can take more risk taking approach to their business. So when deposit interest rate is liberalized, the banking sector should be monitored and regulated very well.
Along with laying the foundation of currency and rate reforms, what needs to happen is for China's state-owned banks and corporations to become more independently competitive, so the financial sector overhaul does not lead to a crisis. Mu Xiaoxing, CCTV, Beijing.